Hey vlog world, good morning Skylifers, and if you're on my channel for the first time, welcome to Skylife TV. My name is Melica Skylife. Bam, my lipstick is popping. My face still bump up, watch it. My face go on with it. But bam, my lipstick is popping. And this morning we have Miss Lynch. She's coming back to work. Good morning, Miss Lynch. Hi. So I'm just reaching work. Miss Lynch hasn't been here from week. She's been sick, but she look alright now. You feeling better?
Yes, I'm much fine.
So I'm walking into the office now. Today is a bleaky day again. Rainfall yesterday and rain go fall today again. So, but my lipstick popping this morning. Don't Miss Lynch?
It is. It really looks nice.
Bam! So, walking into the office, gonna get some work done. I don't think I'm going to be going to any meetings after work today. I think I'll be going straight home to get some work done on my machine, which is my computer. Yeah, basically that. But I'll keep you guys posted on the lunchtime corner. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now so you keep up to date with me. So have a great day. Later. Bye. Bye. Oh, Miss Lynch telling you bye. Hey guys. A different country, no. We're leaving work now. And it's about to rain, but we are got this food place and I'm so excited. I don't know what food go taste like. And things to my peeps. Skylife. Skylife TV. But yeah, we're going to this food place downtown. It just opened. Well, the food place they're about long time, but it just opened in town. So we're going there to try out the food to see if it tastes nice. That's how we roll. We like to try food. Yo, I'm mash up a mango to them and I tell them about it. They're not good. When we eat the mango, it will juicy. Like when you ever eat the mango there, when you think a pipe on it on, like it is so juicy. I think about the mango now. But it never ripe good. One side is greenish and one side is ripe fully. So, yes. But my mash don't see me. I couldn't wait for the two sides for ripe. Yeah man, it tastes good. So big up to Melica Skylife Mango. So we're going home now. No, we're not going. We're going to the place. So when we're at the place, we're going to vlog a little bit.
She said I'm
hungry. What? We are. Oh, we are going. We reach our place. What that called food? It's so good enough to make something.
We need pork.
Oh, pork, that's a make attractive teeth, so. Make me realize the meat. Tamika, this is nice too.
No, barbecue chicken. Like big sauce.
Barbecue chicken in big. I must tell you. I'm not sure if I want to put on the fence. So Tamika, I know. Go on now. I think I'll take a barbecue chicken on this. If you choose the shrimp at $8.50,
Alright, what kind of price is that? $2 million.
what are you going to take?
I take you wing there. I know how much you get there.
Yeah. How what else? What kind of meat that done this now?
I don't know, yes, what I'm going to look.
No, give me no eat for the drink. What is pepper? I'm not know.
Sesame. No, it's not pepper. Sesame.
I can never take it serious.
I don't want to know I try.
What other veg you have?
You can take it if you want. Melica, you get me too?
Which one, which meat you take?
Me just want to eat when she has served me.
Who's this? Give me mala and the fish
Tell me,
This
and what? I told
I'm not sure yet, probably. We don't want to get fed up. Probably the sweet as what you can just want to put on it. I want the sesame wing.
2 meat. Peer pressure this coming on this side yet. Give me the fry rice. What type?
Crispy chicken. Alright,
The pepper? Alright. We can get this and a crispy chicken. Yeah.
Give me sweet and sour chicken and the fish.
It's the box opening of the meal. I'm not gonna lie. Wally, do more.
You know me, it's terrible. What?
Eat the food now. Enough. I'm not
So come back here and max it down.
go back to this. I want to food still, but we'll soon come back.
Don't be ashamed, bro. You have beautiful face for that.
You must be wondering why we love it, so because you shine, because you eat, you shine. Well, we're back some with food. I'm telling you guys. So we're doing the review on Sakura.
Already?
Yes. Sakura Restaurant here in Montego Bay West. Yeah, Montego Bay West. So we buy crispy chicken and what else? Crispy chicken
Sesame wings.
and sesame wings, which me think I like barbecue chicken, but they just
Prep it up.
fancy it up.
But it is
But
damn good.
I'm not telling you lie, the food, whole heap of food again. Alright, so if you get 1 meat of 500, but if you get 2 meat of 550. So it makes sense to take it 2 meat. They're smart. They're upselling you guys. Business stuff. Anyways, but I'm not telling you lie, food, whole heap, we take fried chicken, not fried chicken, fried rice. And I'm not telling you lie, my belly full. Me box off my food because me did well hungry. She left 2 pieces of meat.
Later.
And one thing though, we buy 1 Tropicana and we wanted 2 cups, but they don't give plastic cups. So if you roll like that, you have to just go buy 2 drinks.
We can't drink it out.
We buy 2 drinks and so me stop them, my belly full. But I'm not telling you lie, food will leave. One more thing though, they need to get more seating. I don't know.
We'll put it upstairs.
Nowhere else not really the whole seat anyways, so food eat good. Belly full, belly boss. Yeah, but they drop my camera. Me can't show it.
You're too much. Yeah, put your belly.
No, my belly not big. Oh, your belly a lead. Skylife TV, Melica Skylife have the big belly. Anyways, this is us here at Sakura. You can come on down, Skylife TV. Remember to subscribe. We're not good paid. Guys, this is not paid advertisement, so but the truth is the truth, and we have to tell the truth once it's the truth. But if you live in a Montego Bay, we work near here, and normally we come out by KFC or something like that, or Island Grill. Island Grill food around hot, you know, because yeah, we're well spent 550. Well, on a 550, a 550 plus 550, 1,100 plus 2 drinks. I don't know how much 3 drinks. Yes, man, money well spent. So Skylife TV, this is Melica. That's Tamika, and we're out.